It was a matter of great pleasure and honor for the Sophia family to welcome the new principal, Sister Priya Theres. We were all enthralled on working with her. Her vision, leadership, energy, motivation, focus on academics and co-curricular activities made Sophia one of the most prestigious and sought schools in Khandwa. Infrastructurally, Sister Priya has brought remarkable changes in the school campus. The new administrative block, the boundary wall, the parking shed for the vehicles, the installation of water coolers and many more. Sister Priya left no stone unturned to create a learning environment full of fun and liveliness. On this note, the Colors Day was celebrated in the Babyland in the year 2017. Sister Priya has taught us that the antidote to exhaustion is not rest but nature. Each year, she motivated the teachers and the students for the plantation drive in the Sophia campus. Under Sister Priya's leadership, the annual function was celebrated by the Sophia family in December 2018. It was a grand, magnanimous and a phenomenal celebration. It surely was the talk of the town. To instill the qualities of teamwork, sportsmanship, leadership and love for aesthetics, Sister Priya made sure that not only the students performed excellently in academics but they also gave their 100% in sports and co-curricular activities. She has instilled the seeds of learning in us. She gave us the opportunities to learn through interactive seminars and CBSE teachers training programs. We can never thank you enough, dear sister. Sister Priya has polished numerous gems who have brought laurels to our school. One of them is Palak Ahuja, who went to Delhi to meet our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi for Pariksha Pe Charcha, and the other Rashi Yadav, who is a national level wrestling champion. Sister Priya is definitely a strict disciplinarian when it comes to work front, but when it's playtime, she brings joy in everyone's life. She brought joys in our lives too. During her tenure, every Women's Day was celebrated with utmost delight. Memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost. I felt all of the hatred. What a memorable trip it was when Sister Priya took all her teachers to Amritsar. It was a fantastic excursion. Sister, we are going to remember this all throughout our lives.
Everybody hurts sometimes. Everybody hurts someday. Everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here tonight. 'Cause the dreams come back, all the memories of everything we've been through.
Our principal, Sister Priya, thoroughly believes that service to mankind is service to God. Through all these years, she has been working tirelessly not only for our school but also for the unprivileged and the marginalized people in the community, especially during the lockdown. Sister Priya was the instrumental force in bringing NCC affiliation to our school.
Memories bring back joy.
During lockdown, Sister Priya played a great significant and motivating role in keeping our spirits high. She always said, keep going, keep working, keep hope, stay positive. Better days are here to come. She took care of us all. We can never thank you enough, sister. Those special memories of you will always bring a smile. If only I could have you back for just a little while. Then we could sit and talk again just like we used to do. You always meant so very much and always will do too. The fact that you are no longer going to be here will always cause us pain, but you are forever in our hearts until we meet again.